Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. I'm so glad to be with you today. I wanted to share with you my swaps from February. So let me go ahead, and the way swaps work is it's always hard to explain it, but let's say you have 10 people who want to do a swap. So you make 10 of the exact same cards, and then you each swap a card. And so then you will have 10 different cards. So let me go ahead and show you. This card here is the card that I made for my swap. And I used the cute little bunny here, some DSP, punch, and then I colored in just little bits because I wanted a white rabbit, but I always want to put a little bit of accents. And he's got beautiful blue eyes. I've got some Wink of Stella on the butterfly there, and the little cottontail. And the butterfly was a separate stamp, so I just put it right onto his nose using this Stamparatus. So that is mine. I made multiples of these. I believe we had 8 swappers this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I made 8 of these identical cards, and I came back with my card plus 7 other cards. So let's go ahead and look at these. This one is so cute. I love that plaid designer series paper. Goes so well. And then, of course, she matched the sign here. Beautiful. Then we've got this one here. The little butterfly there. Oh my gosh, so many embellishments. And then so much detailed cutting out as well. So beautiful. And then the designer series paper. We do vote on these, and I must say this one intrigued me. I loved it. We've got that paper, and then this looks like it is some gold paper that has been embossed. And then look at this, the card comes out, and we've got the gold and the hearts as well. I love it. It is definitely a fun fold. You get to write your stuff on the back, and that is your card. This one here. Oh, look at that. It's adorable. And we get to hold that. That's the designer series paper there. And we've got some raindrops and this adorable little bunny from designer series paper as well. Very cute. And then if you don't know, this is my favorite celebration item. And this is that designer series paper. I think it's called Dainty Flowers. It's still available until the end of February. So when you place a $50 order, you can get a free item and this designer series paper, which has this great wreath. And then she added the for a special person on a special day stamp, some embellishments, a beautiful little flower, and then also some greenery that was die cut out, making this card so beautiful. This one is another celebration item using the carrots, and it looks like she's got some embossed on there. I don't know if you could see it in the camera, but it is quite shiny. We've got some embossing, some rhinestones there, and like just pops of DSP and color using that Mango Melody. So pretty. And then a little added carrots and designer series paper there. And then finally, we've got this Silly Goose. Silly Goose forgot, sending gaggles of good wishes. A Silly Goose told me it's your birthday. So this very cute. It's gray cardstock, and then it is colored in with white. And you can't, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the balloon is done in what I think is maybe tape across it, stamped and then tape, and then cut out because the balloon is very glossy. So beautiful, beautiful. That is a fun card. All right, so I got all of these. And as you can see, I made one card and got all of these beautiful cards in return. So this is always so much fun. We do it with our stamp group. If you want to become part of our stamp group, you can join my team at jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. You can also go there to purchase any of the products that were used in today's cards. I hope you like this. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. I told you this one was my favorite, and I would like to know which one was yours. Just put them down in the comments below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye!